Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to use the interface commands. So user interface commands are those where you can see what the victim is doing. Now let's start the first command, that is enum desktop. This command will help you to list all the accessible desktops and workstations. So here is the Windows station with session 1. Moving to the next command, that is get desktop. The get desktop command gets the current Metasploit desktop, means it will get your session which is running on the victim PC. So here is session with 1/w/t. It will be different for you. And moving to the next command, that is idle time. This command will display you the seconds or minutes. Here it is showing that it has been 4 minutes the victim was idle. So let me check it once again. I will do something on the victim PC and then once again I am running the same command, idle time. So here it is showing 3 seconds, means the victim was working since from 3 seconds back. Moving to the next command, that is screenshot. This command is simple. It will get the victim desktop screenshot, means you can see that at present what the victim is working on. So here is a screenshot. It has been saved in the root folder. Let me show you. So here is the victim PC screenshot. At present the victim is doing nothing. Now moving to the next command, set desktop. This command gets you the switch to a different screen based on who is logged in. Here is the change desktop to WinStation 0/default. And moving to the next command, that is last command, UIctl. So this command can control the keyboard and mouse of the victim, like enable and disable command with that keyboard and mouse and all. Let me show you how to use this command. Now typing UIctl disable all. The all stands for both the keyboard and mouse. Now I can show that the victim PC's keyboard and mouse has been stopped working. You can try it by your own. And if you want to enable the command, then you should type UIctl enable all. So that's how we are going to use the user interface command on the victim PC. That's all this video. Thank you.